Hi, it's Pat here from Videopro, and today we're going to check out another feature of the Blue Square Labs interactive panel. This one is the System Utilities floating toolbar, and you'll be able to find it by looking for that little circle that appears over the top of any source that you've got selected. Simply drag it out and click on the circle to reveal the highly used functions and apps of the panel. Now these can be customized to suit your needs. Simply click on the Settings option, go to Display, and you'll see System Utilities in the menu. It's here that you can choose the function of the panel or swap over and select an app that you'd like to add. This is where you can really choose the ones that you use on a frequent basis to make it more user-friendly for any of your presentations. To add a new application, you've first got to unlock an old application to make room for the new one. So it's quite easy, just click on the option that you'd like to release and then click on the new one that you'd like to add. And now you can see that this appears on our new customized Systems Utility toolbar. I hope you found this useful, and check out the other videos in this series for more hints and tips on how to use the Blue Square Labs interactive panel.